about the project title, an intelligent tender management system using blockchain and IPFS. Introduction. The project centers around enhancing bid and contract management processes within organizations. The objective is to implement methods that are both secure and transparent, addressing potential shortcomings in the current practices. The existing tender system is plagued by fairness and transparency issues, notably weak passwords and lack of data encryption in the tender management system. These vulnerabilities can compromise the confidentiality and integrity of sensitive information. Blockchain technology is leveraged to securely and decentralize the recording of various transactions related to tender processes. This includes details such as tender specifications, bids, business profiles, and more. The use of blockchain ensures a tamper-proof and transparent record-keeping system. IPFS, interplanetary file system technology, is employed to securely store documents by transforming them into hash codes. This method enhances the security of document storage, providing a decentralized and tamper-resistant approach to safeguarding important files related to the tendering process. Ethereum, which operates on blockchain principles, plays a key role in ensuring data integrity and transparency. This is achieved through the implementation of smart contracts and peer-to-peer networks. Smart contracts enforce the terms of contracts, reducing the risk of manipulation and enhancing the reliability of the tender management system. The peer-to-peer network architecture enhances transparency by allowing all participants equal access to the information stored on the blockchain. Objective. This involves designing and implementing a comprehensive system for managing tenders intelligently. The system aims to address existing issues in bid and contract management, such as lack of oversight, transparency, and susceptibility to data manipulation. It involves features like user-friendly interfaces, automated workflows, and advanced analytics to enhance decision-making. The project emphasizes the use of secure blockchain technology and encryption to ensure the safety and security of transactions during the tendering process. Blockchain provides a decentralized and tamper-proof ledger, while encryption adds an extra layer of protection by transforming sensitive data into unreadable code that requires a decryption key for access. Blockchain technology serves as a secure and decentralized ledger system for recording transactions. This includes documenting critical information like tender specifications, bid submissions, and other sensitive details. The decentralized nature of the ledger ensures that no single entity has control over the entire system, reducing the risk of fraud or manipulation. IPFS, interplanetary file system, is utilized to secure document storage. This involves transforming documents into hash codes, which are unique identifiers. Storing documents in this way ensures data integrity, as any change to the document content will result in different hash code. Additionally, using IPFS can reduce file size and enhance overall system performance. Smart contracts with the terms directly written into code. In this context, they are employed to automate and enforce processes related to bid evaluation and contract awarding. Smart contracts streamline these operations, reducing the need for manual intervention, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. This automation, in turn, contributes to increased operational efficiency and cost reduction. The overarching goal of the project is to enhance transparency, security, and efficiency within online tender management system. By combining blockchain, encryption, IPFS, and smart contracts, the system aims to provide a more reliable and secure environment. This in turn reduces the risk of malpractice, ensuring a fair and efficient tendering process. Transparency is improved by making information accessible to all authorized participants, and security is enhanced through cryptographic techniques and decentralized technologies. Requirements. Software requirements of the project are Python IDLE 3.7.0 version, Node.js, Visual Studio Community version, Ganesh, MetaMask, Chrome extension. Hardware requirements of the project are processor of Wi-Fi and above, RAM of 8 GB and above, ROM of 20 GB and above. Backend languages used in the project are Python, JavaScript, Solidity. Front-end languages used in the project are HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap 4. Framework is Flask.
Methodology. To implement this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is Bidder Register. This module allows potential bidders to register in the system. Bidder registration involves providing necessary information such as company details, contact information, and authentication credentials. Once registered, bidders can participate in the tendering process. Tender Officer Register. Similar to the bidder registration module, this module is for registering tender officers. Tender officers are responsible for managing and overseeing the tendering process. Their registration involves providing personal and professional details to authenticate their role within the system. Tender Officer Login. After registration, tender officers can log into the system using their credentials. The login functionality provides access to features and functionalities tailored for tender officers, such as managing tenders, evaluating bids, and overseeing the overall tendering process. Add product. This module enables the tender officer to add products or services to the tender. Tender officers can input details such as product specifications, quantities, and any other relevant information required for the bidding process. Check status. Tender officers and bidders can use this module to check the status of ongoing tenders. It provides real time updates on the progress of each tender, including bid submission, deadlines, evaluation status, and other relevant information. Sell product. This feature allows the tender officers to initiate the sale of products or services through the tendering process. It involves creating a tender, specifying the products or services to be procured, and inviting bids from registered bidders. Bidder login. Registered bidders can log into the system using their credentials. This login grants access to features like viewing available tenders, submitting bids, and checking the status of submitted bids. View product. This module allows bidders to view details of the products or services listed in a tender. It provides comprehensive information to help bidders make informed decisions before submitting their bids. Result. After the evaluation process, this module displays the results of the tender, indicating the successful bidder or providing relevant information on the outcome of the bidding process. Admin login. The system administrator logs in to access administrative functionalities. This includes overseeing user accounts, managing system configurations, and addressing any issues that arise. View transactions. This module allows users, such as administrators, to view transaction histories related to tender processes. It provides transparency into the financial aspect of the system. View bidder login, an administrative feature that allows monitoring and viewing the login activities of registered bidders for security and audit purposes. View officer details. Admins can access this module to view details of registered tender officers. It provides an overview of the individuals responsible for managing the tendering process. These modules collectively contribute to the functionality of the intelligent tender management system, ensuring a comprehensive and secure platform for managing the entire tendering lifecycle. The integration of blockchain and IPFS technologies enhances security, transparency, and data integrity throughout these modules. Blockchain integration. Blockchain serves as a decentralized ledger, meaning it is not controlled by a single entity. Instead, it operates on a network of computers, nodes, each having a copy of the entire ledger. It securely records and stores various transactions related to tender specifications, bid submissions, business profiles, and approval authority details. This decentralization ensures that no single party has control over the entire system, reducing the risk of manipulation or fraud. Information recorded on the blockchain becomes immutable, meaning it cannot be altered or deleted once it is added to the chain. This feature ensures a reliable and auditable record of all transactions in the tendering process. Immutability prevents unauthorized changes, providing a high level of trust in the accuracy and integrity of the recorded data. The tamper-proof nature of blockchain enhances the security of sensitive data in the tendering process. Once data is recorded, it is cryptographically secured, making it extremely difficult for unauthorized parties to tamper with or manipulate the information. This feature protects against hacking and data manipulation, adding an extra layer of security to the tendering process. The decentralized nature of blockchain ensures transparency in the tendering process. All participants in the network have equal access to the same information, reducing the risk of bias and favoritism. Transparency is increased as participants can independently verify the transactions and data recorded on the blockchain, fostering trust among all involved parties. Blockchain technology safeguards critical information, including tender specifications, bid submissions, historical performance records, and rejection information. Its secure and cutting edge features, such as cryptographic encryption and consensus mechanism, contribute to the protection of sensitive data throughout the entire tendering process. This safeguarding is crucial for maintaining the confidentiality and integrity of the information involved in the tendering process. In this project, we have utilized Ganache. Ganache serves as an intuitive interface for Ethereum blockchain activities. It offers a graphical display of crucial details such as accounts, transactions, and smart contracts. This user friendly interface simplifies the exploration and management of Ethereum blockchain functionalities for developers and users. Ganache provides insights into individual blocks within the Ethereum blockchain. It shares essential information like block numbers, timestamps, transaction contained within each block, and gas usage. This comprehensive data assists in performing in-depth blockchain analysis, understanding the sequence of events, and assessing network performance. Furthermore, Ganache's functionality extends to facilitating data retrieval from stored blocks. Developers can access specific block information, enabling them to extract and analyze detailed data relevant to the application or smart contract. We have also utilized MetaMask as an extension. MetaMask functions as both an Ethereum wallet and a browser extension. It allows users to manage their cryptocurrencies, primarily Ether, ETH, and interact with decentralized applications, dApps, seamlessly. Users can store, send, and receive Ether while also accessing various Ethereum based applications directly through their web browser. In the project context, MetaMask serves as a secure means of Ethereum transactions. It enables users to conduct transparent transactions involving ETH within the tender management system. For instance, it facilitates the deduction of ETH for various actions or payments within the system, ensuring transparent and secure financial operations. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code files. This is the code folder. This is the contracts folder which consists of Solidity code. It handles data structures, functions, and events with modifiers for validation. This is the static folder which contains files related to CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspect of the application. This is templates folder. Within this folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html, and more representing various sections of the website. This folder also contains Python code files that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. This is app.py file. This .py file contains the information related to front-end logic. It includes code written in Python that handles server-side operations such as processing user requests, interacting with the database, and generating dynamic content to be rendered in the HTML templates. This is run.bat file to start the IPFS server. IPFS is a decentralized file storage system for secure and distributed data sharing. Blockchain is effective for recording transactional data, but for large file storage, it integrates with IPFS. Double click on it to start the IPFS server. So here we can see IPFS server started. To execute this project, we need to host the server. To host the server, open Ganache. So here we can see server is hosted. Now minimize this. This is run.bat file. Instead of executing the project through command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. Double click on it to start the server. The Flask framework will host the application locally at the default address localhost, which is this, and port, which is this. Now copy this local link provided by the Flask framework. I'm copying the link and paste this copied link into any web browser. I usually prefer Google Chrome and hit enter. The homepage of the project is displayed in the browser. This is the front end built using Flask framework. So here we can see admin login, bidder register, bidder login, tender officer register, and tender officer login links. First, click on bidder register link to register a bidder. So here we need to enter all these details to register a bidder. The name of the bidder is Radhika. Username, password, address, phone number, email ID. After entering all these details, click on Add Bidder button to register a bidder. We will receive a OTP in the mail. Open the mail ID. So here we can see this is the OTP which we received. Copy this OTP and paste this OTP here. Now click on Submit button. So here we can see details saved in blockchain. Now click on Tender Officer Register link to register a tender. So here we need to enter all these details to register a tender. Name of the tender, which is Shri. Username, password, address, number, email ID. After entering all these details, click on Add Officer button to register a tender. A OTP is been sent to the mail ID. This is the OTP which we received. Copy this OTP and paste this OTP here and then click on Submit button. So here we can see details saved in blockchain. Now click on Tender Officer login link to add product details. So here we need to enter the username of the tender, which is Shri, and the password, and then click on Login Officer button. We have logged in successfully as a tender. So here we can see multiple options: add product, check status, sell product links. First click on add product link to add the product details. So here we need to enter all these details of the product ID, which is 895, product name, sunglasses, product information, Rayhan High Street, 54 sunglasses. The price of the sunglasses $16. Here we need to upload the photo of the sunglasses. Click on choose file. Select the image. Now click on open button. After entering all these details, click on add product button. So here we can see product details are added to blockchain. Now click on logout link here. Now click on bidder login link to login as the bidder. So here we need to enter the username of the bidder and the password and then click on login bidder button. We have logged in successfully as a bidder. Now click on view product link to view the product details. So here we can see the product details which we have just added. The product ID, product name which is sunglasses, information of the product, Ray-Han High Street 54 sunglasses, and the product price is $16. And here we can see the image of the product. And here we have the option to bid for the product. Click here to submit. So here we need to enter the amount for which we want to buy the product. So I'm entering the amount as $20. Now click on submit button. So here we can see bid placed successfully. Click on logout link here. Now again click on tender officer login link to login as the tender. So here we need to enter the username and the password of the tender and then click on login officer button. We have logged in successfully as a tender. Now click on check status link to check the status of the bid. So here we can see the product details and here we can see the bidder name which is Radhika and the amount bidded is $20. Now click on officer screen link to go to the home page of the tender. Now click on sell product link to sell the product to the bidder. So here we need to select a product which is $895 and we need to select the bidder name which is Radhika here and then click on sell product to sell the product to the bidder Radhika. So here we can see product is being sold to bidder Radhika. Now click on logout link. Now again click on bidder login link to login as the bidder. Here we need to enter the username and the password of the bidder and then click on login bidder button. We have logged in successfully as a bidder. Now click on result link to view the result. So here we can see product ID won in auction is $895. So here the bidder can see that the bidder has won the product. Now click on logout. Now click on admin login link to login as the administrator. So here we need to enter the username and the password of the administrator and then click on login admin button. We have logged in successfully as the administrator. So here we can see multiple options: view transactions, view bidder details, view officer details. First click on view transactions link to view the transactions. So here we can see the product ID and bidder who won. Now click on admin screen link to go to the home page of the admin. Click on view bidder details link to view the bidder details. So here we can see the complete information of the bidder: name, username, password, address, number and email ID. Now click on admin screen to go to the home page of the administrator. Now click on view officer details link to view the details of the officer. So here we can see the complete details of the officer: name, username, password, address, number and the email ID. Now click on logout link here. In this way, bidders can bid for the product and tenders can sell the product. The conclusion of the project is the primary goal of the project is to tackle the challenges and risks associated with tender and contract mismanagement. This is achieved through the utilization of secure blockchain technology and encryption. By leveraging these technologies, the project aims to establish a more robust and reliable system for managing tenders and contracts. The integration of blockchain technology plays a crucial role in ensuring the safety and security of transactions during the tendering process. Blockchain provides a tamper proof and transparent system by decentralizing the ledger, making it resistant to unauthorized changes. This enhances the overall security of bid and contract management, instilling confidence in the integrity of the process. The project incorporates IPFS, interplanetary file system technology, for secure document storage. Documents are transformed into hash codes, ensuring data integrity and simultaneously reducing file size. This approach contributes to the security and efficiency of the document management aspect of the tendering process. Through the integration of blockchain technology, the project aims to improve the transparency, security, and efficiency of online tender management system. The decentralized nature of blockchain ensures that information is accessible to all authorized participants, reducing the risk of malpractice. The tamper proof characteristics of blockchain enhance the security of the system, and the automation of processes contributes to overall efficiency in the procurement process.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.